In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Outlook mentions not working. If you've been experiencing problems with your mentions feature in Outlook, you're not alone, and thankfully, the solution is often straightforward. So let's dive right into it and get your Outlook up and running smoothly again. To start, it's important to ensure that you're currently logged into your Outlook account. If you're using the older version of Outlook, this is especially relevant. Once you've confirmed that you're logged in, the first step is to navigate to the File tab located at the top left corner of your screen. This tab will take you to a suite of options where you can modify different settings related to your Outlook account. After clicking on File, you'll want to look for an option labeled Options. This is usually towards the bottom of the menu, and clicking on it will open up a new window with various customization choices for your Outlook application. Inside the Options menu, you will see several categories on the left sidebar. The one you're looking for is Mail. Selecting Mail will present a wide range of settings specifically tailored to sending, receiving, and organizing your email communications. Now, here's where you want to pay close attention. Scroll down the list within the Mail section until you find the part labeled Send Messages. Within this area, there is a specific option that relates directly to mentions. You're looking for a checkbox that includes the @ symbol and mentions specifically. This box controls whether you can use mentions in your emails, so it's essential that this is checked. If you find that the checkbox is unchecked, click on it to enable this feature. This is crucial because if it's not selected, the mentions functionality won't operate as intended. Once you've made this change, you're nearly done with the process. The final and equally important step is to restart your Outlook application. This means closing out of the program entirely and then reopening it. Restarting is necessary because it allows Outlook to refresh and implement the changes you've made to the settings. Without a restart, the settings might not take effect immediately. So once you've done that, you should find that the mentions feature in Outlook is working correctly again. This simple process should resolve any issues you were facing with mentions not functioning in your Outlook account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials just like this one.